Hari from Melbourne, Australia. Patriji Meditation Channel is organizing an amazing program called Save Plants, Save Earth and Save Animals. This is an outstanding program to spread awareness on how important the elements are to our human evolution. I request each and every one of you to join this global program where people from over 60 countries are joining to share their knowledge on this topic. I cordially welcome you all to this program on November 18th and 19th. Thank you so much.